Hello everyone. My name is Rad Tyler Sipasag. From Creative Computing Level 3. So this is my machine learning project for assessment 2. It's a Pokemon Battle Predictor. Basically, you pick two Pokemons and the model tries to guess who would win based on their stats. It's not super deep like the actual games, but it's a fun way to show how classification works. So the first thing I did was import all libraries, pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, and Gradio, just the usual stuff for the data handling, training model, and building the interface. And and then I grabbed the and then I grabbed the dataset from Kaggle. It's got all the Pokemon names, IDs, and their base stats, HP attacks, defense, special attacks, special defense, and speed. That's all I really needed for this project. So like I cleaned it up a bit and kept only the stats and the name in the name column. Like no need for extra stuff like types or generations, since I'm just comparing raw stats. And then like adding image URLs for each form. So to make the interface look nicer, I added image URLs using the usual swipe pattern. It doesn't affect the actual model, but it just for the visuals. Here, the data set does include battle results, so I made my own. I randomly paired Pokemon together and treated each pair as a battle. And here, I created a formula to calculate power score for each Pokemon. I give extra weight to each to attack and speed since they're more important in battles. It's not perfect, but it gives the model something logical to learn. Here is whichever Pokemon had the higher score got labeled as the winner. Either A or B, that's the target variable for training. And I combined the stats for both Pokemon into one row, added the winner label, encoded it, and split the data into training and testing sets. So here I use a random forest classifier because it's good with numbers and it doesn't overfit easily. I trained it on the synthetic battles and picked a few parameters. So here I checked the accuracy in running classification report. Even though the data was fake, the model still learned patterns and gave balanced predictions. So here finally I built a Gradio interface. You can type into two Pokemon names or generate random ones like what we have here. You just click random A. I don't like that one. Ladybug and Charizard. Click click button. So as you can see, it shows like Charizard because he has a greater stats than Ladybug, and because of this, like the layers are like simple and clean, and inputs on the left and images on the right. So yeah, that's my Pokemon Battle Predictor. It's not a full-on battle simulator, but it shows how machine learning can be used in a fun way. If I had more time, I'd stuff like type matchups or real battle data. But yeah, thanks for watching, and that is all.